This device in my hand is called an oscilloscope. An oscilloscope is an electronic test instrument that graphically displays signal voltages and shows those variations over time. We currently have this device connected to the vehicle diagnostic port. Maybe you've seen one around the shop, as some technicians use them to diagnose an array of problems such as vehicle communication network issues. But it's okay if you don't have an oscilloscope or know how to use one. Today we're going to teach you a more intuitive method using JPRO. Open JPRO and navigate to Data Monitor. Then click the Bus Statistics button in the toolbar. This feature gives technicians a visual into the networks currently available and indicates which components are online on those networks. And if Bus Statistics shows that a major component is not communicating, the technician can see the absence, which can help determine where to start the diagnostic process. From within Bus Statistics, you can also access the Connector Info button. On the Connector Info screen, you'll be shown images of multiple diagnostic connector types. By default, this will show you the current vehicle's connector type. The graphic shown is an animated diagram that blinks to indicate which networks and what traffic is available on each pin. If any network or traffic is absent, this can help technicians identify a down network or component, so they could quickly begin diagnostics to get the network or component back up and running. Now you can save your shop thousands of dollars by using JPRO instead of oscilloscopes.